Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your wallet or NFT platform supports two-factor authentication and token-level metadata. Open the wallet interface where you manage NFTs and have your mobile with Google Authenticator ready. Once done, locate the NFT token ID and the security or settings area for that asset. Make sure you are logged in and that you control the wallet address. This immediate preparation avoids interruptions when you start the linking flow in the next step. You now perform the core linking action. In the NFT or wallet settings, choose the option to add two-factor authentication for the NFT or asset actions. When the platform shows a QR code or secret key, open Google Authenticator and scan or enter the key manually. This creates a time-based code. Once you enter the generated code back into the wallet, the platform binds that top to the NFT operations. Make sure to copy any recovery codes and store them safely before moving on. Finish by testing an action that now requires the authenticator code, such as a restricted transfer or metadata change. This verifies the link worked. If successful, record backup or recovery codes offline and consider adding a hardware key for extra resilience. If something goes wrong, first make sure your phone's clock is synced to network time, because time drift breaks top. Also re-enter the secret to ensure no typo. If problems persist, use the platform's recovery flow to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.